Hey guys, I want to talk to you about something that's very popular on 70s and 80s era cars. What I'm talking about is vinyl tops. Now you don't see a whole lot of these out there anymore unless you catch somebody out riding around in their weekend warrior or out at a car show. Now with the one on our old Buick, we're not really planning to keep it because it doesn't fit with the direction of our build. However, if we did want to keep this thing, it could be saved. And if you've got one of these on your ride, here's a few tips for you. First thing is to start off by assessing the top. Look for cracks and dry rot from it being exposed to the sun and weather. If you find some, there's not much you can do about that, and the top should really be replaced. That's because those cracks allow water to seep through, and then all that moisture is going to get trapped. And we all know what that's going to cause: rust. Now our old top just looks bad, and it kind of has the appearance of mold and mildew growing off of it, and a good cleaning would go a long ways. You don't want to grab any old cleaner because some cleaners are too harsh and can damage the color on your vinyl top. It's a good idea to use an upholstery cleaner like this we got from Sonax. This is the Multistar Universal Cleaner. It's safe to use on painted surfaces, plastics, and even vinyls. Now we're also going to be using a scrub brush because that vinyl top's got some grain to it, and this will help loosen up all that crud. What you want to do is spray it on and let it do its thing for 2 to 3 minutes. Then with medium to light pressure, scrub the surface. And it doesn't take much elbow grease to do a good job. For final cleanup, wipe down with a clean damp cloth and let it dry. That didn't take much effort at all, and it sure does look a whole lot better. Now it's time to brighten up that old top and give it back its luster that it once had. We're going to be using another product from Sonax. This is the Polymer Net Shield. It will seal the surface, restore the color in our old top, and give it some shine. Application is super easy. All you need is a sponge and a clean cloth. You can spray the product directly onto the panel, or you can apply it to the sponge, which that's the way I prefer it. That way it gives you a whole lot better control of the product. To rub it on here, there isn't a special pattern or direction that you need to do. Just make sure to apply it evenly and not in excess. You also don't want to apply it onto a hot surface. If it's cool to the touch, you're good to go. And just like that, it looks almost new again. And for the amount of work, we've got some pretty big gains.